So hello everyone, welcome to today's video. So today we're going to do something with Affinity Designer. So okay, we're gonna draw. Okay, so first we're gonna do Godzilla. So don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment my videos, or you can follow my Facebook. So today first we're gonna draw Godzilla. So click on the brush tool. You have the width 26.2 PD. So we have to take this brush. Okay, now let's draw the face first. Okay, first you have to draw something like this. Next, draw the mouth. You have to draw it like this, smoothly. And when I draw the nose, I take small likes like this. We're not going to draw the eyes now, so I'm going to draw the spines. Oh, I'm going to draw the head spines. Next, I'm going to draw a small body. This. And the legs. And the fingers of the legs and the other leg. We're gonna do it like this. Okay, next we're going to draw the tail now. It's really easy. Next, the small hands. Okay, now we're going to color with this model. So all you have to do is click on this and go to color. Next you will get a thing like this. Next you have to put it on gray. I'm doing the same for the others. So you can see the color body part is going to backwards. So I'll do it for the other leg too. I'm going to do the same. So for our spine, we're going to put it as blue. Super. Oh, now we're going to draw the eyes of Godzilla. And I'm going to draw the eyebrows. Okay, now our Godzilla is finished. So okay, so subscribe my YouTube channel, put the bell notification below, comment and like. I will bring how to draw Kong in the next video. So thank you.